Hello, my dear student. Hope you are fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to take a review class about human digestion. Hope you will enjoy this class. Digestion of food. When the food enters in the stomach from the esophagus, the peristaltic movements pass over the stomach every 15 to 25 seconds. The movements mixes the food with the gastric juice, softening the food mass and reducing it to a thin liquid called chyme. The hydrochloric acid of gastric juice kills bacteria, dissolves mineral salts, decalcifies bones, and provides an acidic medium for the digestion. The food progresses through the stomach from the fundus to the body, where the mixing waves become stronger and even stronger as the food reaches the pylorus, last part of the stomach. Most of the food is forced back into the body of the stomach, where further chemical digestion takes place. So, digestion in stomach. The main chemical activity of stomach is to begin the digestion of protein. Gastrin, a hormone produced by the stomach, stimulates the secretion of gastric juices, primarily hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid activates the production of pepsinogen and prorenin, which is turn becomes pepsin and renin respectively. Pepsin and renin start a chemical breakdown of proteins in following way. Next one, digestion in small intestine. The chyme which enters the small intestine is made up of partly digested carbohydrates, partially digested proteins, and largely undigested lipids. The activity of food stimulates the mucosa of the duodenum to secrete the hormones secretin, cholecystokinin and enterokinin. The first to activate the pancreas to secrete pancreatic juice, and the third causes the gallbladder to eject bile into the intestine. Enterokinin stimulates the intestine to secrete its own intestinal juice. In duodenum of small intestine, food mixes with bile, pancreatic juice, and intestinal juice. Thus, in the duodenum, the food is automatically acted upon by bile, the pancreatic and intestinal juice. Since these secretions are called alkaline, the activity of chyme is neutralized and pepsin is inactivated. Pancreatic juice contains proteolytic enzyme of trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase, tripeptidase, dipeptidase, collagenase, etc. They act on different partly digested proteins as the following way. In ileum, amylolytic enzyme present in the intestinal juice hydrolyzes all these disaccharides in this following way. Now I am going to describe about lipid digestion. Lipid, one is the most important food item. Lipid digestion totally depends on the bile secretion. Bile is devoid of enzymes. It contains bile pigment and two bile salts, sodium tarcholate and sodium glycolate. The bile salts help in breaking down lipid droplets into small globules, forming a milky emulsion to facilitate further digestion of fats. This process is called emulsification. Pancreatic juice contains lipolytic enzymes of lipase, phospholipase, and cholesterol They act on different emulsified lipids as in the following way. Intestinal juice contains lipolytic enzyme of lipase and lecithinase. They act on different emulsified lipids as in the following ways. Thank you very much for watching this video till end.